Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to trade prediction on Stand.Trade. Before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do want to buy an educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now let's just dive into the video. You'd need a Web3 based wallet for this. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the OKX Web3 wallet, and I click on the OKX wallet and I go to explore. On this, I would click on Stand.Trade and click on search, and it takes me here. So this is the official Stand.Trade website, and avoid clicking random links. Always verify the URL. So all I need to do is log in first and use my OKX Web3 wallet for this, and click on confirm, and successfully connected to this. So how do you trade predictions here? You browse the available markets. Like here, will Trump nominate Janet Yellen as the next Fed chair? Will Bitcoin reach 1 million by December 31st? And that's how you browse the available markets. You could scroll through different categories too, and over here you could check discover, and these are the various categories here. Each event would show you its 24-hour volume, the volume, the liquidity, the spread, and when it's starting and when it is. And you could use some filters to show new event, and you click on save, and you could see new events coming up here. This event started today and is ending today. This event started today and is ending tomorrow. Sports versus Thunder. You could pick on any and trade with them, and you choose on an outcome. So let's say you click on this event, trade, and do you want an over and under? But let's not use a game. Will Elon Musk post 460 to 49 tweets from December? You could click on trade and choose yes or no. So if you enter a wager amount of with a minimum of $2, and your profit, if you choose yes, would be 3.3 cents average price, and the cost is $2, and your potential payout would be $60. So I don't have sufficient cash here on my wallet to fund this, but let me just show you. I could just go to deposit funds and deposit from anywhere from another wallet. I could just copy this address here and go to my wallet and send USDC, probably on base. Let me just send it on base. Let's say send about 1.1 base worth of it USDC, and confirm. And I could go directly back to my explore page and refresh my Stand.Trade. Alright, you could see my fund has been deposited directly 1.1 USDC, and with this fund I could definitely get on any trade I would want to, particularly with on that trade I wanted going in on. So let's say the amount I would want is $1, and I could buy yes for 1 USDC, and you could find it here that I have bought in about 15 seconds ago for a yes. And that's how it is. When the event closes, you can now definitely get your reward if you're on the win, or if you're not on the win, you don't get any reward. But before placing a trade, always check the payout ratio, the pool size, and the total amount staked and end time. Then you confirm your position and you wait for the resolution. When the event ends, the result gives you the resolution, and you if your outcome is correct, your payout becomes available to claim. And claiming your winnings is much easier. If your outcome wins, you just go to the event page like over here, and you'll see how to claim your rewards. And always verify event details before participating. Do note that I never trade based on hype alone, and these steps will help you use this platform responsibly. If this tutorial video helped you, make sure you like the video